We got our last race of the day. This is a Pro Series Mosler with Jim Wood starting on orange, Steve Madison on purple, Jeff Knoll the winner on green, and Bill Porter on black.
Yellow flag, go! Halfway through the race. 1 minute left. Seconds left. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Heat over.
Knoll's your leader after the first heat with 26 laps. Jim Wood, Steve Madison, Bill Porter all tied with 25. Fast lap goes to Jim Wood with a 4.607, Jeff Knoll 4.625, Steve Madison 4.686, and Bill Porter 4.743.
Go! Yellow flag. Halfway through the race. One go. Seconds left. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left.
All right, Jeff Knoll still your leader with 51 laps. Bill Porter, Steve Madison with 50 each. Jim Wood come off twice and dropped a lap to the field with 49. Laps that segment. Jeff, Bill, and Steve all with 25. Wood with 24. Fast lap goes to Knoll with a 4.658. Madison a 4706, 4745 for Porter, and 4747 for Wood.
Go. Halfway through the race. 1 minute left. Seconds left. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left.
Alright, I'm off my trouble.
Heat over.
Off once. Alright, Jeff Knowles still your leader with 76 laps. Bill Porter, Steve Madison tied at 75. Wood dropped well, we all got 25, but Wood came off and had 74. Laps that segment, everybody with 25. Fast lap goes to Knoll with a 4623, 4687 for Wood, 4694 for Porter, and 4708 for Madison. Back to racing. Knoll with 101 tied with Madison, 101. Porter 100. Wood dropped another lap to 99. Segment laps. Madison picked up a lap on the field with 26. Everybody else with 25. Good run there, Madison. Fast lap goes to 4671 for Madison, 4674 for Knoll, 4711 for Wood, 4797 for Porter.
Halfway through the race. 1 minute left. Yellow flag. Ready. Go. Seconds left. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Heat over.
Jeff Knowles hanging on to the lead with 127. Madison about a half a lap back with 126. Porter and Wood are tied at 124. Laps that segment, Knowles with 26. Madison and Wood with 25. Porter with 24. Fast lap goes to Knowles with a 4.537. 4.618 for Wood. 4.690 for Madison. 4.818 for Porter.
Heat over.
Jeff Knoll, still your leader, picked up a lap on the field with 26 laps that heat. Jeff at 153, Madison 151, Porter and Wood each with 149. Knoll with 26 laps, Madison, Porter, and Wood all with 25. And Knoll was almost on another lap. He's about 10 feet shy, 15 feet shy of another lap. So he's smoking. Fast lap goes to Knoll with a 4.508. Wood a 4.611, Madison a 4.696, and that was on red, so that's a really good time. And Porter a 4.709. So let's go back to racing.
Go. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Heat over.
Jeff Knoll with 179 laps, Madison 176, Wood 175, Porter 173. Laps that segment, Knoll and Wood each with 26, Madison 25, Porter with 24. Fast lap goes to Jeff Knoll with a 4.584, Wood with a 4.631, Madison a 4.633, and Porter with a 4.782. Back to racing.
Go. 10 left.
Yeah, what you do that for?
Gaining on you too.
Ready.
Gaining on you. Yes.
Go. 8 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Checkered flag. Race over.
I knew you were running 4.5 and I was trying to get you with what I was trying to do. And that's when you came out.
I was riding the edge all day today. The edge didn't like me.
Jeff, where were you?
I didn't think, oh, I was
4-5.